Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.1 question number 5. A rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 km by 0.5 km. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wires. What is the length of the wire needed? Right. Let us find. Suppose this is the rectangular piece of land. This is the rectangular piece of land. This is a rectangular piece of land, right? This is the length. Length is 0.7 kilometer, 0.7 kilometer, and breadth is 0.5 kilometer, 0.5 kilometer, right? We have to fence this rectangular piece of land with 4 rows of wires. First of all, we will find 1 rows of wire, right? That means perimeter of the squares, perimeter of the rectangle. Let us find the perimeter of the rectangle. We know that perimeter of rectangle is perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, right? That is equal to 2. What is the value of length? Value of length is 0.7, 0.7, and value of breadth is 0.5, 0.5 kilometer, and that is equal to 2 into 0.7 plus 0.5, that is 1.2 kilometer, right? 1.2 kilometer. Therefore, if we multiply this with 2, we are getting 2 to the 4 and 2 1 the 2, that is 2.4 kilometer. Now we find that perimeter means starting from 1, right? That means it is 1 row, and if we have to find the 4 rows, we have to multiply this 2.4 with 4, right? Therefore, length of the wire needed, therefore length of the wire needed, length of the wire needed is equal to 4 into 2.4 kilometer, right? And what you're getting, you see, that is equal to 2.4 into 4, that is 4 4 is 16, 4 to 8 plus 1 9, 9.6, 9.6 kilometer. Let us again repeat once again, right? First of all, you see the rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5, that is length is 0.7 and breadth is 0.5 kilometer. First of all, we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle, that is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into 0.7 plus 0.5, that is 2 into 1.2, and that is 2.4 kilometer, right? Now 2.4 kilometer means now the length of the wire for 1 rows of wire is 2.4 kilometer, but we have to give 4 rows of wires, right? That means length of the wire needed is equal to 4 into 2.4 kilometer, that is 9.6 kilometer. Dear friend, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.